Hey there, in this tutorial we want to learn how we can create social media posts with Gamma. Most of you already know Gamma from presentations, most likely, but you can also create beautiful social media posts, and this is what this video is about. So first off, before we start, you will find my link down in the video description here, and when you click on it, you can sign up for free and try out Gamma for free, and at the same time you're helping me and my channel, so thank you a lot if you're using my link. And once you've clicked on it, you will land on this page, and then you can click on start for free. Next, you just sign up with Google or your email. And once you have signed up, you will land in the dashboard of Gamma. And up here, you can click on create new. And on this layer, you can decide how you enter the information for your social media post. You can either enter a prompt, or you just paste in an entire text from, for example, an email or so, or you create your own template, or you import a file or a URL. So for example, if you have a Word document or a PDF and you want to create a couple of social media posts about the topic, then you can just import those here. But I think most of you just want to start with a blank prompt. Therefore, just click on generate, and then you land on this page, and here you can select what you want to create today. I already have videos about presentations and web pages on my channel, but today we want to look into the social media post with Gamma. Therefore, just select it, and down here you can select the amount of cards you want to create, or in our case, the amount of social media posts. And here you can select either you want to have it square, for example, for Instagram, or you want to have the portrait mode. I think this is very common on Facebook, or I think most of you probably want to do some stories for Instagram or LinkedIn. Then you select the 9:16 ratio and just select it. And then you can select your language. I think we're good with English now. And if you are on the Pro version, you can also select Studio, and every card is a single image with embedded text. This is also quite nice because it looks a little bit more professional, but it requires you to be on the Pro plan. I'm currently on the Plus plan. I can upgrade and show it to you, but I think most of you want to start on the free version or on the Plus version. So that's why we will continue with the classic editor. But if you want to take it to the next level, I highly recommend you to check out Studio Pro because this looks a little bit more professional. But let's go with classic. And now you can just go ahead and describe what you want to talk about in your social media post. I don't have any topic now, but they give you some example prompts down here. For example, college majors explained by people who regret them, or landing page mistakes costing you thousands with examples. I think this one is good. And feel free to make it as long as you want and what kind of topic you want to talk about. Maybe some environmental topics, some business topics, or some marketing topics. Just put it in the prompt here, and then you can click on generate. And now Gamma goes ahead and gives you an outline of the stories it created. So this one would be the first story: landing page mistakes costing you thousands of dollars. Mistake number 1, weak or confusing headlines. Mistake number 2, too many call to actions. And if you want to put in your own text here, then you can just go ahead and type it in here, but you can also do that later. I'm good for now. I think these 5 stories would be perfect for my Instagram account. And on Instagram stories, we shouldn't use too much text, so either concise or minimal would be a good option. And then you can choose the theme of your Instagram story, and they have many different themes here. So you can just browse through. Very classic theme, a dark theme, and a dark theme with a lot of red in it. And yeah, just browse through what kind of theme you want to have. I think peach for social media or Instagram is nice because it kind of looks like the Instagram logo, and then I can just go ahead and select it. And now the most important part, the images. So you can either choose to have stock photos and the AI will look up some stock photos for you, or you can have the AI create images for you, or even illustrations. But let's go with AI images for now because it's kind of cool that the AI is generating images for us. And you can have different versions, for example, narrative, flat, technical lining, and it gives you a couple of examples up here. You can also have editorial style, lifestyle, cinematic. So just browse through what kind of images you want. I would go ahead with narrative and click save. And once you made up your mind and everything is okay here, then you can click on generate. And now Gamma will go ahead and generate the social media posts for us. And this usually doesn't take longer than a minute. So it's very, very fast. As you can see, first story, second story, and of course the images take the longest. Let's wait, but you can see how fast this is. Now we are done. Let's go back to the first story. And this is the first story we can post on our Instagram. And I think it's really cool because it came up with the entire text. It generated us some images and even some emojis here, before, after, and gives you some tips on how to create your landing pages, better conversion rate drop. So now, of course, you would go ahead and just type in whatever observations you made or whatever numbers you want to share. So this is just a placeholder, but you can just go in and type whatever number you want to have, 25%, better conversions for your web page. So this is very self-explanatory. You can just edit everything. For example, here the page load speed, you can just enter in whatever number you observed in your experiment. And even as you can see, the ring is adapting. So if we go to 80%, you can see the ring is adapting here. So I think this is very cool. Everything is interactive and you can make changes to the text, but you can also make changes to the image. So you can just go ahead and click on edit image. And then this will open up, and up here you can select where the image comes from, either from the AI, or you can even upload your own images. So when you have an image you want to share in this story, then you can just upload your own image, or you can search the web, or you can use stock photos. And the nice part about Gamma, it thinks for you. So as you can see, our AI image had a newspaper on a desk, and Gamma automatically typed this into the search bar here. So now we have a lot of different stock photos with the same image style, so a paper on a desk. So we can just exchange this to a real photo. Doesn't really make sense here, maybe this one, but it's in German. Yeah, but you get the idea. So you can have stock photos or you can have AI photos. And here on the AI photo, you can also, this was the initial prompt, but you can also change the style. So if we want to go with, for example, flat design, then you can click save and click generate. And now Gamma goes ahead and generates us a new image for that. So I think this is pretty cool that we don't have to take the images which Gamma chooses for us at the beginning. We can just go ahead and type in whatever we want to have here in the prompt section and replace the initial image. As you can see, this takes a little time because it generates 3 new images for us. And now it generated for us different images here. So for example, this one is cool, or this one, and then you can just select it, close it, and the image is directly inside here. If you don't like it, you can just undo this here. So for example, just click on undo, or you click Command Z on the Mac, and then you can just go back to the image you had before. So this was the image we had before. Talking about images, you also create a different card style up here. So you can just click on it and you can put the image on the left, which I think looks very cool. So this also looks nice. It doesn't really make sense with this image, but you get the idea. Also to the right, or you can make it as a background picture. So then you would change the color of the headline here. You can do that as well. Just go in and change the color. And down here we had the same with this image. So now this is how you can create stories or social media posts with Gamma. I think it's very straightforward. Here on the right, you can also add more blocks, for example, titles, tables, lists, or for example, new images from Giphy, infographics, stock photos, and so on. Or smart layout, you can add columns, tables, if you want to put in more data. And you can also add charts, so different bar charts, donut charts, and you can just drag that in, and then you added this chart to your story if you like. And down here you can also add media, so for example, more images or files. And up here you can also embed things, but this is not really for Instagram stories, this is more for presentations. And yeah, this is how you create Instagram stories, and you can just go ahead and type in your text, upload your images, and the AI will just help you with the basic at the start. And once you're done, you can just go ahead on share and then on export. And here you can export the story as a PNG file. So then you can just go ahead on Instagram, upload it to Instagram, or they have even integrated LinkedIn. So you can go ahead and connect your Gamma account to LinkedIn here, just enter your email and your password, and then you can directly post the story or the post from Gamma to LinkedIn. So this is very straightforward. I do like it because it gives you a lot of creativity and at a very fast speed. complete. You don't have to do anything. Just type in the prompt and it will go ahead. And if you want to try it out, as said, you will find the link to Gamma down below here in the video description. Just click on it and you can sign up for free. And if you want to learn now how you can create your own AI agent who can also do that for you, then this video is probably for you. And yeah, see you there. If you liked the video, also give it a thumbs up. Thank you for listening and see you in the next one. Bye.